Hello, DIY enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about 5 essential cutting tools that every DIY enthusiast should have in their toolbox. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced DIYer, having the right cutting tools can make a world of difference in your projects. So, let's dive in. Utility knife. Our first cutting tool on the list is the trusty utility knife. This versatile tool is perfect for a wide range of cutting tasks. From opening packages to trimming materials, the utility knife is a must-have in any toolbox. Its retractable blade allows for safe storage. And the replaceable blades ensure that you always have a sharp edge ready for precision cutting. Handsaw. The second cutting tool we recommend is the handsaw. A handsaw is great for making straight cuts in wood and other materials. It's a handy tool for various DIY projects such as building furniture or cutting through PVC pipes. Look for a handsaw with a comfortable grip and sharp teeth to make your cutting tasks easier and more efficient. Jigsaw. The third cutting tool on our list is the versatile jigsaw. A jigsaw is an electric-powered tool that allows you to make intricate curved cuts and complex shapes. It's perfect for cutting through wood, plastic, and even metal. With a variety of blade options available, you can adapt the jigsaw to different materials and achieve professional-looking results. Rotary Cutter. If you're into crafting or fabric work, our fourth cutting tool recommendation is the Rotary Cutter. This tool features a sharp circular blade that rolls smoothly, making it ideal for cutting through fabrics, leather, and other delicate materials. The Rotary Cutter provides clean, precise cuts, and its ergonomic design offers comfort during extended cutting sessions. Angle grinder. Last but not least, we have the powerful angle grinder. This tool is essential for heavy-duty cutting tasks, especially in metalworking and construction projects. The angle grinder's abrasive disc can cut through metal, tile, and masonry with ease. It's a versatile tool that also allows for grinding, polishing, and shaping tasks, making it a valuable addition to your workshop. Conclusion, and there you have it, 5 essential cutting tools for every DIY enthusiast. Whether you're working on small projects or tackling larger tasks, having these tools in your arsenal will help you achieve precise, professional results. Remember to always prioritize safety and follow the manufacturer's instructions when using these cutting tools. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more DIY tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy cutting!